Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. We are really getting into this Easter baking today. Anyways, Italian Easter cake. Another name is Pigna di Pasqua. Okay? This is my first attempt to make this. I've never made this before. I've been searching for a simple recipe to an Italian Easter cake, Pigna di Pasqua. And I finally found something that I think is the simplest I've come across. Okay, let's do this together. Let's see what happens. That was my buzzer for my oven. It says to preheat the oven at 350. Okay, so my oven is ready to go. I just got to get everything else organized now. Okay, my pan. I'm going to spray that with nonstick. A little history behind the pan. This pan used to be my mom's. So this is, I would consider it an antique. Antique, I think it's got to be 100 years and up. Okay, well, this has got to be at least, I want to say 40 years old. Maybe even more. Okay, let's say 50. Okay, because I think I was around 10 years old when I started seeing this. Anyways, okay. Just, the reason why I'm sharing that with you is because that's going to bring me good luck. I know that this cake is going to come out amazing because I'm making it in this special pan. Okay. That's ready. Let's put that aside. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to combine, the sugar, the eggs, and the oil. So, let's put our sugar. Let's bring this closer. Our sugar. We're going to put 4 eggs. I put 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Okay. I will write this down in the comments, so you will have the recipe. Okay. So we got sugar, 4 eggs. Okay, next, where's that recipe? Sugar, eggs, vanilla. So we're going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 and 2. It would help if we had this whisker on here. So we're going to fluff that up for about a minute. Okay, then we're going to add our oil, our milk, and our milk. Okay, nice and light and fluffy. Now we're going to add our oil. I'm using canola oil. Actually, it's the only oil that I use when I'm baking. And then we're going to put in 1 cup of milk. Okay. Now we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Okay, that's beautifully combined. Now we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients. So, cornstarch. Cornstarch, we're gonna need half a cup of cornstarch. So, where's my little measuring? Half a cup. Half a cup of cornstarch. So now you can use cornstarch or you can use potato starch. Or you can use whole potatoes, boiled, mashed, and put in. I find that to be a little bit too much work for me. So I know that that's the way my mom used to make them, but I don't know how to do it that way. So that's why I said I had to find a recipe that was easy for me to put together. So, half a cup cornstarch. Okay? Then we got 1 tablespoon baking powder. One tablespoon baking powder. And the salt. The salt, we need half a teaspoon of salt. That will do. So let's mix that up. Okay. Now we're going to add the flour into this mix. Okay, that's nicely combined too. Now, flour, we need 2.5 cups of flour. So, where did I put my... That's 1. That's 2. And that's half. Double check, 2.5 cups. Okay. Now we're going to just mix that up slowly. We're done with this flour. Actually, we're done with all of this. Let's just put it aside here for now. I don't want to over mix this. I just want it enough to combine all the ingredients and the flour is well combined in there. Okay. Let that drip in there. Okay. Now we're going to take this batter and we're going to pour it into our prepared pan. Okay. My weight. Just scrape it off the sides. That's going to come out amazing. And it smells good too. You can already smell the vanilla. Okay. That's it. There's our cake ready to go into the oven. The oven is at 350. I put the oven rack in the center of the oven, okay? This is going to go in for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. If you guys are wondering why I keep on looking on my side here, is because I'll show you my little trick. I have the recipe written out and I have it taped onto my napkin dispenser. So that way it's out of my way, stays clean, and I can read it easily. Another one of my little tricks. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you in about 40 minutes. La Pigna di Pasqua. Italian Easter cake. Look at that beauty. Just gorgeous. So now we're going to just let this cool down. Okay. I don't know why I'm talking so low. It's because I'm in awe that this came out so beautiful and it smells delicious. Oh my God. Oh, okay. We're not done yet. We're going to let this cool down completely. And well, in about 10-15 minutes, I'm going to take it out of the pan and leave it on a wire rack and let it cool down. And I'm gonna make a glaze to put on top. The glaze is very easy. You just mix icing sugar with milk. And we're gonna just, I don't know, pour it over it. And we're gonna put some little decorations. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Wait until this cools down. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's nicely cooled down, okay? We're gonna make the glaze to put on top. All I did was I mixed the icing sugar with the milk, okay? The recipe itself calls for 2 cups of icing sugar and 3 tablespoons of milk, I did use 4 tablespoons of milk. Okay? So, there we go. Beautiful. I'm just going to put that on here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle it on to our cake. So, actually what I should do is I should have put this on the Lazy Susan. See? Oh, a little bit more. Okay. Now we're going to take our sprinkles. Actually, I don't mind mixing them. So how about we put a few big ones. That looks pretty. A few big ones, and then we'll just put a whole bunch of small ones. And there you got it. La Pigna di Pasqua. Italian Easter cake. That's it. Okay. Enjoy. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll talk to you very soon. Have a happy Easter. Okay? If I don't see you sooner, I wish you a happy Easter.